This sticker tells us that this old truck was last on the road about 9 years ago. But let me show you what can happen in 2 or 3 years. If a vehicle is allowed to sit with the gasoline, check it out. Anything that was touching the gas is going to be in terrible, terrible shape. Look how terrible this is. Let's see if I can get it without breaking it too much. No, I can't seem to get it. It breaks up. It's all this crusty, rusty deposits that have accumulated inside this carburetor that has very small passages. No, I didn't spike this, and this is just a fraction of it. This is the crusting of the varnish in the fuel system. This plugs up everything in the carburetor, fuel injectors. Just forget it. I don't have to look at the gas tank, fuel pump, fuel lines. I don't have to. They all look like that. The entire fuel system is shot. But we're going to overcome that. And that special angle to our project is not only to get this old truck going, $1. Our budget is $1. I'm going to make this engine idle, not sputter, not race. I believe I can do it. I've done it with the spray cans on a regular engine, so I'm sure I can do it on this old version right in here. The entire fuel system will be replaced by an IV bag from a medical facility that I will acquire. That means get it for free. So long my budget is doing well. Now I predict, and I already calculated it, I believe there's 128 ounces in a gallon. A gallon of gasoline is $2.40. Anyway, I'm going to buy about 40 cents worth of gasoline. I'll put it in one of these drinking bottles, and that's our first and probably our last cost. I'm going to make this thing run for less than $1. Stick around.